Hey guys, it's me Jack here and welcome back to another Minecraft Skyblock video. This is episode number 2, so yeah, I guess we better get on with it. So guys, here on the island we are exactly where we left off in the last episode, except a fire literally just started before I started recording, and I placed that block there by accident to put it out instead of just tapping it. But anyway, on with the episode. I need a tree to grow basically. So first off, I'm gonna expand the area with dirt, and then we're gonna probably make some bone meal if this tree doesn't grow, because it probably won't grow overnight because it's not light enough. So we will get to expanding this area. I don't really know how else I want to expand, really. Probably going to expand out this way along here. Basically, I just want a nice square area of grass. And then I'm gonna put a tree farm separately, and also a normal farm. So I want to keep some dirt left over for those things. And I think I'm gonna go expand out the edge one more level, one more layer, and then that'll be it for now. Okay, that's gonna be my grass area for now. And then I am just gonna, not do that. I am just gonna try and build this path the whole way around it. Get all the way around. I'm not gonna have enough to get all the way around. And I can't mine any cobblestone without any more wood, so basically I'm stuck until this tree grows. May as well place this last block in. So I'm going to wait for this tree to grow, and once that has happened, I will be back. I am going to place the other one just because the other one might grow quicker, and I'm going to use some bone meal as well. Where should we place this one? Don't want to place it there because it will catch on fire. I'm going to place it there and craft bone meal. 3 bone meal. Is the sun coming up or is the sun going down? Sun's coming up. So it will be daytime and I will be able to it will be light enough for the tree to grow. So hopefully, well, I'm going to wait for the sun to get a bit higher in the sky. Then I'm going to bone meal these trees and hope that they grow up a little bit. Okay, I don't know if the sun's going to be high enough, but we haven't got a long time to find out, so I'm going to use... There we go, that worked well. Okay. So I can now take all of this wood. I'm going to do that for now, just because I might want some charcoal at some point. That'll be good, and then I can craft a stone pickaxe. I'll take those as well, may as well, and that'll be that for now. Put all those away for now. Quickly just go and put this here, put this here. This here, put this there, put that there, and that one there. then I need to go about getting more cobblestone out of here. And then hopefully the aim for today is going to be finishing this path, moving the cobblestone generator over a bit, and maybe getting the tree farm set up as well. Hopefully that will be all achievable in one episode. I'm not sure, it might take a long time. But now I've got this stone pickaxe, it's going to be a lot quicker to get through all of these bits of cobblestone. Don't know how much I'll need. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna need. I'm gonna take maybe 24 for now, because we're almost there already. That'll do. I say, before it all gets burned up by lava. Okay, that'll do. Turn that all into those. I'm gonna leave 3 in there. Wait, no. There we go, leave those 3 in there. Finish off this path. How many am I going to have left? Oh, I've only done the one level that side as well. Yeah, it's probably going to take all of these then. We'll see. 19 left. And still got a while to go. I'm not going to have many left at all. Okay, well we got that. Path done around the grass area. So now I'm going to build out this way beyond the tree. Like a big platform where I can move a cobblestone generator. And maybe build a house over in this bit. And then I'm going to extend this way, which is where I'm going to put the tree farm. Before we do any of that though, let me just take these. Let me put the fire out. Let me build a stone axe. There we go. Okay. I know I can cover this over with cobblestone to like stop the fire from spreading, but I feel like that's not necessary at this point because I am going to move it pretty soon. And we're also going to need some charcoal to keep the light area. To keep the area light, because we don't want any mobs spawning. So that should be, if I can ever pick one of these up, that should be 32. So leaves me 2 left over, and I can take 68 stacks. We've got 68 stacks, 68 slabs. So I'm going to build all the way along this edge. Am I going to use them all? I don't. Probably not. I'm probably not going to use them all on this. I do like to keep most of this raw footage as possible, but this is going to be very repetitive. No. Okay, I almost fell off my island. Very happy I've still got a waterfall there, because that would have been bad. Okay, I will see you when I get back up onto the island and when I've finished building this out and hopefully I don't fall off again. Okay, so I've built this area out here, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move the cobblestone generator across. I'm going to be as quick as I can with this. It shouldn't be too hard. I think I'm going to need maybe 20 blocks of cobblestone. I've already got 10 slabs, so that should definitely cover it. final block. Hopefully. There we go. Okay, right, this should be enough. I'm gonna build that. And then we build up there like that. Build that. Oh, hello, that. Build there and there. And build there. 20 exactly, perfect, okay. Right, next task, move the lava over, so we need the bucket. I'm going to put the water in first, so we'll take some of this. Put that there. Take the lava, I could have got rid of that, don't know, I don't need that water source there anymore. Put that in there. Built this in the wrong place, but that's okay. There we go, okay. Cobblestone generator officially moved. We've got a tree grown. I can take this down now. Next up is gonna definitely be to build a furnace. I feel like that's the next task, and get some charcoal on the go. Right, so let's just block that off. And then let's take all of an apple. Yes. Oh, I don't need to eat because I died again because I fell off the side of the island. Thought I was going to need to eat that, but we don't. Three saplings. Okay, 3 saplings from that tree. A bunch of sticks, that's good. I'm gonna leave that on there for now. Next task. What do I want to do? I'm gonna end the video shortly, but first I'm just gonna build a furnace. Okay, let's craft a furnace. Take a furnace, and I'm going to also make another one of those. Because this one's about to break. Okay. Right, where to put the furnace? I'm going to put, this is going to be my house, like, roughly here. So I'm going to put the furnace here. For when I do build the house. And then let's get some charcoal on the go. And yeah, that is where I'm going to end it for this video, guys. So, furnace up and running. Trees have grown. We've finished this area. Just need to fill in the old cobblestone generator, but we'll be done with that pretty soon. So yeah, the next episode should be fairly productive. We've got a lot of what we need set up already. Been a good first 2 episodes, I think, in terms of progress. So that's going to be all for this one, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, make sure you drop a like on it. That would be really great and would really mean a lot to me. Also, if you could subscribe to the channel as well if you're enjoying the Minecraft content, then that would be awesome. That's going to be all for this video, guys. So I'll see you next week with another Skyblock, and I'll see you very, very soon with another video. But that's going to be all, guys. So thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.